yeah, it's a bit sketch. Got the bathroom in here. It looks like it might have been around the world. I'm trying to stay going on this thing, but sometimes I just want to take it to the junkyard. There's so much like wire stuff. I had like lights and wires like everywhere. Lights here, wires here, speaker wires, wires in here, lights in here, lights in here, lights in here. Trigger light that opens this thing, lights down here. Tons of like racks and organizers and spice racks and like different places for stuff. Just I don't know what was going on here, but I'm sure it was epic. So I just scraped off all these stickers. It's kind of sad, but like my wife says, I doubt the van went to Saudi Arabia or Bermuda. So I think they were just stickers of travels. I don't think that they were necessarily the van went to those places. I mean, the thing's so cool. You gotta keep that on there. I mean, it's the Sea Otter Channel 23. Are you kidding me? Like van, authentic van life. Like none of that fake vegan man bun millennial doing yoga on the roof shit, man. We're talking hardcore van right here. Real shit. Back when vans were vans. I mean, you can't buy this. You can't. It's like it's not for sale. This kind of shit right here. It's just like this is the real deal. I'm fixing up this old van. Today I'm going to take this wall out, take this window out, get this thing all new walls hopefully. We got pretty much this side of the van finished all on the weekend. A lot of work. Well, the time has come. Balboa, that was once a total piece of junk, is officially finished. And I'm going to go on a little ride down to the beach. Show you guys a little bit more about it, do a little video tour, and I guess say goodbye to it or something. Alright, so we're taking a ride here in the A100 1970 Dodge. This is a Dodge van with a Balboa Motorhome shell on it. This is a full remodel, as you can tell. Everything's new, so I'm not going to keep saying new. But these are some exterior hatch covers. This is where you plug the vehicle in. This is where our power source comes from. Some new vent covers or gas that goes in there, and there's some new LED lights throughout the vehicle. Coming in through the rear of the Balboa Motorhome, you'll see an awesome sticker. And then on the left we have a bathroom. In the bathroom here we put a vent. Well, there was a vent cover there originally for some reason, but we put a RV vent going out the back. It's great for summertime coastal breezes, and this also allows us to put the shower, which has hot water, out the back of the vehicle for rinsing off after a good surf. Dimmer lights as you walk in. You got your stove, sink, fridge. You got a touch button, interior lights, upper speakers. We've got bars in here for the curtains, which aren't in yet. This is a 12 volt voltometer, which gives you your battery levels. Also have the USB port, and this is the switch that you put when you plug the vehicle in. You switch it to city, and when you're not plugged in, you switch it to chassis. Moving up to the front, we got 79,000 miles on this vehicle. The engine looks really good shape. It runs terrific. It's got a V8 in it, automatic. Then into the back here, we've got the upper lights again. Beautiful large windows for coastal or mountain views. Upper cabinets with speaker carpet throughout. So you got the cedar tongue groove ceiling, all new handles, hardware. There's a large escape hatch or sunroof, whatever you want to call it. We've got two of those for open air flow and sunlight. All these vents and screens and windows give you a really nice outside feel. That's kind of the whole thing with the Balboa, is the large windows and the airflow and so many things I could say about it. But anyway, these are all our cabinets, all new hinges, all new doors. Everything's new. Like I said, we've got a nice propane heater there for winter time, and a rear porch light. Down here we've got a water pump and a 40-gallon water tank. We've got hot and cold water. You've also got a propane stove and oven. Plenty of drawers. We've also got a Dometic two-way fridge, which runs off propane or the battery. Electrical outlets work when the vehicle's plugged in. The upper front area here, the dinette, is a lagoon table which swivels all around and goes up and down. It also goes to the down position along those pieces of wood to make the dinette into a bed. Now, there's also an upper cabinet or an upper bed area above there for a child. This couch area becomes bed as well. So that's kind of a quick look at 5 months of work. Pretty sweet van. Pretty much a done deal. Here it is, from junkyard, salvage yard in Monterey to fully renovated Balboa that I'm just absolutely blown away that it's at this point, and I can't believe that I did it.